On June 1, 2020, David McAtee, an African-American man, was fatally shot by law enforcement officers in Louisville, Kentucky, during protests over the deaths of George Floyd and Breonna Taylor. The Louisville Metro Police Department and Kentucky National Guard were in the area to enforce a curfew. According to officials, the police and soldiers were fired upon, and 2 Louisville officers and 2 National Guardsmen returned fire, killing McAtee. The body cams of the police involved were deactivated during the shooting. Louisville Police Chief Steve Conrad was fired hours later. McAtee, who ran a barbecue stand known as Yoya's BBQ Shack, and his mother, Odessa Riley, were present at a large gathering in the parking lot of a local food market that the Louisville Police and Kentucky National Guard were attempting to disperse. McAtee's barbecue stand was next to the parking lot where the crowd had gathered. Witnesses in the crowd stated that the gathering was separate from the protests and was instead a weekly neighborhood party where McAtee served food from his BBQ stand. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.